Want to know how to explore or browse through event pass in Paladins? So event pass are basically a limited time events that has various rewards and often pay to win, and that's it. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily browse through and what is inside the event pass. So let's get straight to it. Now first things first, simply open up your Paladins game and you should be provided with this main menu, and on the leftmost side you should be seeing event pass right here. So you can just simply select it. So once you have selected event pass, here you should be seeing various options. So you can see your rewards right here. So all of these require a payment or a pass to unlock, as it says. So for all of these cosmetic items, chests and mega chest, as you can see, and at the last in this current event we get a low-key blaster right here, as you can see on the screen. So this is your final reward for it. So rest, mostly we have got chests, some team boosters, fair and style, and much more. So you can just simply select purchase right here in order to purchase this event pass through crystals right here. So you need to get crystals. There was a great video on how to get crystals, so make sure to watch it. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.